Namaskar, Namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel BEWIDSHREE and I am SHYAMASREE. So today, as you know by the title, that I will be using single product to apply three things, that is eyeshadow, blush and of course the lipstick. So without talking too much, let's see how did I achieve this look only by using one product. Hi. So I have already done this, as you can see, and I'm very happy with the outcomes. Now I will show you on this eye. So first I'm using the primer. I'm taking my beauty blender and just damp beauty blender and just blending it. And now the star of my today's video is this. So this is NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Prague. So I'm using this. You can use Miss Claire one also. If you don't have NYX, you can use Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream as well, because those have the same texture. I'm just applying this all over my lid, not so properly, and then blend. I've just taken this a little bit outward. So I'll take a little bit more. And this time I will just dab it. And then again blend it. I will take my small brush. I'll take it here a little bit. Be careful with the colors because it's very pigmented. Don't take too much on the first go. Just blend it and you can build it up as well. So I just left this side and I have done 3/4 of my eyes. I'll take my white pencil. This is from NYX as well, and do my waterline. Now I'll take my Maybelline Colossal Mascara and will just coat my lashes. Now blush. On the place where we apply blush, like this, and then blend. Blend a little bit faster, you can't keep it for a long time, okay? And at any point if you feel that your blush is too much, so what you can do is take your damp beauty blender and just dab it like this. So in that way the extra products will be taken up by beauty blender. So but I think it's okay. In person it's not looking too much weird. So I will also apply the highlight in my inner corners. And now let's do our lips. Just to do my hairs and we'll come back. This is how the whole thing turned out to be, and I'm in love with this. It's so easy, and also the main thing is you just need only one product, and you can do all these three things: your eyeshadow, your lipstick, and your blush. So when you're traveling especially, or you're going somewhere where you can't carry too much of things, this kind of product is a savior. So I have NYX, as I told you. You people can use Miss Claire. It has got the same formula. It's like very soft. It's very good formula. It's not too dry, not too oily. So you can, and it's also you can see my eyeshadow didn't crease at all. So that's great. So I hope you will be liking this, and if you do like it, please, you have to like this video and also comment and share this video with your loved ones, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button just beside the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. So I will sign off today. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life: live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh make others laugh. Bye and take care.